Morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, the 23rd of July, and this is your pre-opening comment number 2208. I'm going to make this brief. There was no real economic news. This Democratic bump for Kamala Harris is to be expected. It's, typical when an unknown becomes a known, and we get a little bit of a reflex rally. I don't chalk it up to anything, and I think it has absolutely zero to do with the election. We have a glaring lack of any economic information. Yesterday we had none. Today we had mortgage apps. I haven't even seen them. But we have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and Global Services PMI. Both of those, though, are at 9:45 after the market opens. Pardon me, I take that back. That's tomorrow. Today we have existing home sales, and that's not until 10 o'clock. So I'll update that in the Discord room when I see it. We had some earnings today. The biggest one, or the most dramatic one, was UPS with a miss of 20 cents, a miss on revenue, guiding revenue above consensus, restarts buybacks. In the meantime, the stock is 132 and a half. It's down 12.65 or almost 9%. GM beats. I have no idea how. They have scaled back production in the EV market dramatically. Said that they're not going to come anywhere near their projections, and yet the stock is 51.95. That's up $2.39 or 4.8%. And frankly, that idiot Farmer Jim will be on at noon today on the noon show with Wapner, and I'm sure that he'll have plenty to say about how great GM is. SAP also a beat, 213, up 12 and a half. NXP in line, and the stock is 262 and a half. That's down $22 or 7.7%. Lockheed Martin beats. What a surprise, 485 up 1061 or 2.2. Coca-Cola beats. 65.70 up 93 cents. Sherwin-Williams beats 340 up 1766 or 5.5%. And Pulte Group 127 up $1.36 or 1.1 on their beat and their beat on revenues. Asia is mixed to lower. Europe is lower. The stock futures started with the Dow up 44. Currently, let's see where we are. Not seeing it just quite yet on the cash side, but the NASDAQ was down a couple, now down a couple more. Let's take a look and see. The S&P was up 7. It's currently up 2. So let's see if we can get you an updated number. GE Aerospace also reported and beat 166.90. That's up $4.14 or roughly 2.5%. I wish they'd just shut Kramer up and post what the pre-opening numbers look like, but I guess we're just not going to see that. We have a lot of numbers and a lot more earnings coming this week. And, we'll have to see how they shake out. They're, pretty iffy here. Half up, half down. UPS down on earnings, and freight declines, now down 10.5%. 130.46, and that's down almost $15. We had Mike Novogratz talking about the coming approval of the ETF for Ethereum. That ought to have a little bit of a bullish bent. It already has, but we haven't really, we haven't really seen the kind of explosion that we had in the Bitcoin ETF. By the way, Tesla reports this afternoon. It's up about $2.50 also. So there you have it, folks. Stocks mixed to slightly lower, and I'll be back later. Have a good one.